Hello, Paul from EMD. I've got a Porsche 1969. Doing a few checks on the car. I've got another video that I've done the checks already, but I just want to show you the main thing that we found. Alternator belt, the charger. It's basically loose ladder, needs to be adjusted. Generator. Wheel bearing is loose at the front here. It's hard to see, but you hear the knocking. Whole front needs to be adjusted. The wheel bearing is too loose. There's a few things I found underneath in a separate video, but that's the main thing I've got to do. There's a few adjustments I've got to do on the carburetor as well, but as you can see, it's all a leak. Needs to be removed out and fully rebuilt. This here, everything is leaking pretty much from there, especially on this side here. And there's a oil leak from underneath as well, as I saw on the other video I'm showing, on the video number 1 I showed. But the main thing I've got to do now is that and the wheel bearing for now. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.